Migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions. From Siberian cranes to greater flamingo, many beautiful birds migrate to India every year during the winters and summers for food, breeding, and nesting. Here is the list of most beautiful migrating birds that flock to India every year. Siberian cranes is an endangered member of the crane family. Siberian cranes can be spotted mainly at the Bharatpur National Park during the winter seasons. These cranes are omnivorous and breed in the Arctic tundra of Russia and Siberia. These Siberian cranes would migrate all the way from western Siberia to India, approximately 4,000 kilometers during winters. After breeding, they flew to National Park at Bharatpur in Rajasthan. The greater flamingo can fly up to 600 kilometers in one night. They often migrate in big flocks. In India, these birds are commonly seen in Kutch, Gujarat, and Mumbai. It also reaches Kerala after flying thousands of kilometers during the month of October to January. Demorsal crane. Demorsal crane are the smallest species of crane family and lives in different environmental conditions, including desert areas of Rajasthan. These birds from colder regions of Eurasia fly to India in October and roost at various places in Rajasthan till March. They cover about 5,000 kilometer journey in about 2 weeks. Blue throat, a beautiful bird that looks like a sparrow, belongs to the thrush family, and these migratory birds can be spotted in India during the winter seasons in Rajasthan. The blue throat prefers to breed in very cold climates across the world, such as Alaska. Blue throats fly more than 6,000 kilometers from their breeding areas. Bar-headed goose is the highest flying bird in the world and migrates to India every winter seasons. During its annual migration, this species travels directly over the Himalayas on its route. Great white pelican. The great white pelican is normally seen in large lakes and lagoons. This species migrates to India in large numbers during winters and settles down mainly in Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Asian koel. The Asian koel is a member of the cuckoo order of birds, and these birds are partially migratory. Ruddy-shelled duck. Ruddy-shelled duck, also known as Brahmini duck, is a strongly migratory bird wintering in backwaters and wetlands of Indian subcontinent. They visit India from Southeast Europe. Blue-tailed bee-eater. Blue-tailed bee-eater is a migratory bird found seasonally in peninsular India. They nest underground in sandy banks or open flat areas near water bodies. Feed on Indian bees, honeybees, wasps, and hornets. Black-winged stilt is a very long-legged wadder bird and is a regular migrant to India. Usually, these birds are found around the wetland. The bird has 5 subspecies named as black-necked stilt, black-winged stilt, white-backed stilt, and white-headed stilt. The breeding habit of all these species of stilts are marshes, shallow lakes and ponds. I hope this video is useful and informative. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon too. Until then, this is your Pavan signing off. Bye bye.